Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect PS4 controller to Ubisoft PC. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Before making any changes, open Ubisoft Connect and launch the game you want to play. In some cases, no additional setup is required because certain games can detect the controller automatically. If your PlayStation 4 controller is already working, you can start playing right away. However, if the controller is not being recognized, the following method can help. The first thing you need to do is open Steam. Although it may seem unusual to use Steam for a Ubisoft game, Steam includes a feature called Steam Input. This feature helps Windows detect and configure different types of controllers, including PlayStation controllers that may not have full native support in some PC games. Inside Steam, click Add a Game in the bottom left corner and choose Add a non-Steam game. Then browse your computer and locate the executable file for the Ubisoft game you want to play. Once you've selected the game's executable file, add it to your Steam library. After that, search for that game and right-click the game in Steam, select Properties, and open the controller section. Here, click on this drop-down and make sure Steam Input is enabled for that game. You can also open the controller configuration menu if you want to customize button mappings or adjust other settings. With Steam Input enabled, launch the game through Steam. Ubisoft Connect will still open as usual, but Steam will now handle controller support in the background. When the game starts, your PlayStation 4 controller should be detected and ready to use. This method can work for many Ubisoft Connect games as long as they can be added to Steam and both Steam and Ubisoft Connect are running at the same time. And that's it. So that's basically how you can connect PS4 controller to Ubisoft PC. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.